Hello dear viewers of Khatlon newspaper. Today I wanna tell you about Navruz holiday. Navruz rituals. There are a number of customs, traditions, rituals and customs related to Navruz among Tajiks. From the first days of spring along with the blossoming of Navruz flowers, blackberries, daisies, yellows, violets, and so on. People, especially children, pay attention to spring. Children pick spring flowers from the slopes of the hills and tell the villagers about the end of winter and the arrival of the bright and happy Navruz. Teenagers and young people go in groups to the house of their fellows. Villagers sing songs to congratulate them on the arrival of spring and present them with the flowers. The owners of the house give gifts to the team of florists, rub the flowers on the eyes and eyebrows, and express joy. This ritual is called flower arrangement. Happy Navruz holidays, dear friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channels. Thank you very much for your attention.